If you enjoyed the story Stick and Stone, there's a real fun craft that you can make that kind of goes along with it. What you can do is make a story stick. A story stick is something that's kind of like a prop that you can use to help tell a story or a tale. And what you need is, it can be a stick out of your yard, it can be an old broom handle, it can be any kind of a stick that you happen to have around the house. And then you decorate it. I have a few things here. You can tie ribbons around it, and you can use markers to make different things, designs on it. If you don't have ribbons, you can use pipe cleaners. And what you would do with this stick then is pass it from person to person, if you want to do it that way, and they would tell a story about whatever they want. It could be about themselves, it could be about one of their pets, it could be about your family, it could be about what you did in school today, anything like that. You can put ribbons on for each person if you want. You can put stickers, you can use markers on it, you could put googly eyes on it, which I think is kind of fun if the stick is big enough. If you don't have ribbons at your house, but maybe you have some pipe cleaners, you can write pipe cleaners around it. And what it does is, you would hand this, you would start the story. You would say maybe, once upon a time, I was going to my grandma's house. And you could continue your story, or you could pass it along if you have some friends with you, and they could finish the story. Each person could contribute to it. And so it's called a story stick, and a lot of different cultures around the world use different ways of telling stories. This just happens to be one of it. You could also use a stone, just like Stick and Stone story. And you could paint your stone, you could put googly eyes on that, and you would pass the stone around. So I hope that you find things around your house that you can make your very own story stick and share it with your family and your friends. Thanks for being good listeners.